Hello everyone, I am Bill, and I am the after-sales engineer of the welding department of Soda Laser. It's my pleasure to introduce you the installation and tutorial of this handheld welding machine. First, we prepare some commonly used tools: pliers, wrench, and Allen key, big Phillips screwdriver, small slotted screwdriver, and argon meter, pure water, and gas. When you receive the machine, check everything before install. Here is our machine body, a wire feeder, and a toolbox. First, we need to add purified water to the chiller. Let's open the cabinet. Then, open the water inlet. We can add purified water or distilled water. Add water to the standard area we scaled out. That means the green area. In winter, if the temperature is below 0 centigrade, we need to add antifreeze in the water. Next, let's connect the gas to the welding machine. We have a gas pipe in our toolbox. One end is connected to the gas cylinder. The other end is connected to the machine air intake part. The gas can choose nitrogen, argon, or air. We recommend you to use argon. And here is the pressure gauge. Our argon pressure gauge should be adjusted to between 10 to 15. Next, let's connect the wire feeder to the power supply. Our wire feeder has a power cable and a signal cable. The power cable is in our toolbox. One end plugs into the right side of the wire feeder. The other end is plugged into the tertiary skirt of the fuselage here, and the signal cable is tied on the fuselage. We take it off and plug it into the left side of the wire feeder. Next, we power up the welding machine. Our welding machine's voltage are divided into two types: one 220 volts, one 380 volt. This unit is 220 volt. 220 volt are 3 wires: a leaf wire, a neutral wire, and an earth wire. 300 volts have 3 leaf wires, a neutral wire, and an earth wire, and our power supply. The circuit breaker is not less than 32 amps. Now we can power on the machine and turn on the main power. There are 4 buttons on the front of the panel of our machine. We turn on the buttons: urgent stop, start, chiller, laser source, one by one. First, turn on the urgent stop. Start the chiller. After turning on the chiller, we need to open the cabinet door. Observe whether the water level is in the standard green area. If it's lower than the standard area, we need to add purified water again and wait for the chiller to run. When the water temperature reaches about 20 degrees, turn on the laser button. Now, let me introduce the control panels. Our control panel is divided into 3 areas: process parameter area, function control area, and the function option area. First, let's see scan speed. Its adjustable range is 2 to 6,000. We normally adjust it to 300. The scan width is 0 to 6 millimeters. We normally adjust it to 2 to 3 millimeters. The peak power is adjustable according to the selection of the laser. We adjust the control ratio to 100%. The modulation pulse frequency range is 5 to 5,000. Normally, we adjust to 2 to 3,000. In the function control area, our switches are always on under normal circumstances. If the laser enable is turned off, there will be no laser. Indicates red light is on. Welding mode and continuous mode. Let's look at the functional options area. First, craft section. We have 9 craft libraries inside. It can be used for different plates at ordinary times. The current craft is displayed. It needs to be saved after the change. Import, return to the main interface. Second, settings section. Enter password 123456. OK. The parameters inside are set by us at our factory. Basically, you don't need to adjust those parameters. And there is a laser center offset, which we need to pay attention to. It is adjustable from +3 to -3. When the red light is not in the center of the tip, we need to adjust the parameters. Others do not need to be adjusted. Save it when you are done. Next, monitoring section. The monitoring means some feedback data of all functions when we use the welding machine. When there is an error, it will show up here. This is divided into the input signal status area, output signal status area, and equipment basic information area. Here is the diagnosis. Here is also manual control of various functions. We only need to check the air valve when we start the test. Let's see if there is air now. We can walk normally with air. Just open the valve. If we found that there was gas in the gun, then we're good to go. We can use it normally after a while. Return. Next, let's check the red light center point.